passengers. Welcome aboard the little train K3418. This train will pass through Snow Mountain, desert, grassland. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Gasoline. Pointed scissors. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit?
Oh.
Thank you. The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Drag the right boxes into the train. Great! You've loaded the goods! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Where would you like to sit?
Thanks. Thanks.
We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery. The train is approaching Desert Slope. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's have a sandboarding race.
Candy,
Woo!
Kiki, Cool Sheet,
Yeah!
ready. Slide up to avoid obstacles.
Go, go, go!
finished the race. Let's attend the presentation of prizes. Awesome! You're the first place! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. Uh-oh, the track ahead is deviated. Let's turn it to the right place. Good job, you fixed the track. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous items are not permitted on the train. Firecrackers. Gasoline. Utility knife. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Thanks! Dear passengers, we are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off.
Miss Mimi!
Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time.
Bye!